I got a new book. I've been looking for it for a long time. Read it with me. Oh my gosh. I immediately love Lucy Greybeard. Immediately love her. What? I don't know if it's supposed to be a thing, but I'm kind of liking Seaboy. Okay. Okay. I'm like 5 chapters in and the waterworks are starting. I mean, I'm so invested in these characters already. It's not even funny. I mean, what? Yes, drama, and it starts. Oh my word! The games master in this one is Cruel. Okay, end of chapter 9. I need to get ready and make a video for YouTube, so I'll stop there for now. Bye! They get veterinarians and not doctors because they're not people, they're animals. What? These earlier games, this is the 10th game, the earlier games, I was wondering how they're going to do the past, but they were brutal. No, before the starting of the game. We haven't even started the game yet. I'm talking about before. These guys weren't playing around, I'm telling you. What? Lucy Gray is showing bites, and I'm at the end of part 1. Oh. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to see the movie. I can't wait. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Chapter 14, and the games are about to start. Oh. You know what I don't like about this? It's only one POV. I don't know what's happening inside the arena. We need to know. There's no camera. They're all gone. There's all hidden. There's nothing. We can only see a certain angle, and I need to know. Oh my gosh, I can't wait for the movie. I really can't. Oh my word. Ugh. The intrigue. There's just so much we don't know still. Oh my word. Can't wait to find out. Oh no. He's up to something. Oh. Oh, come on. End of chapter 18. Ugh, snakes. Oh my god. Ooh. I want to see this movie. Oh my god. Oh my god. I hope they do this piece. He had to do something to put the odds in her favor. Ja, ne? Uitgevangen. No good deed goes unpunished. Oh my god. Drama. Oh my god. Load shedding. So many times he says how she belongs to him and how this is now his territory. Typical. Coriolanus is a capital boy through and through. Hey, they found Katniss in the woods. The flower. Okay, the flower. So, yay, not to Katniss here. Haha, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. See you for the last bit. Bye. So it's the last few chapters. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Good intentions and all that. Sometimes you can't plan for every eventuality, unfortunately. And of course, when things backfire, then they backfire. Yeah. I knew this was gonna happen. I knew this was gonna happen. Okay. Well. Okay, look. We're done. Yay. Okay. So, I really need to know Lucy Greybeard's perspective. Can Susan Collins do a Twilight maneuver and give us her side of the story? That would be great. I've also I saw something on the internet. I wasn't looking for it. It came up that there's a theory that Lucy is President Coin, which would make it actually fun if it was, because 65 years later, the two of them are still like a lifelong rivalry. And that'll be interesting, actually. That's another take on that. But he was a capital boy through and through. We see how it's a good origin story, actually. He's just true to himself. It always has been. And of course, paranoia can do things to you. Yeah, guys, that was really well written, hey? It's fantastic. So I think I need to go on a binge now. I think I'm going to be listening to the Hunger Games again. I don't know. Go get it if you don't have it. Go read it if you do. Okay.